Hey viewers, welcome to the beginner projects. So I hope you are good. So let's start our video number 4. So here we're gonna learn about the footer. So let's just start it. So in the footer we have to make two div, and I already tell about this. The class you can put wherever you want. Class row. First we are made our rows. So it's simple. So another div is class column. Sorry, it's me right there. Column 6. You can write there whatever you want. So let's close this, and then next point here. So give to the hyperlinks href. So first hyperlinks is contact.php is a path of file, and the contact us contact us. So let's close this and close the hyperlink. So it's just we need to copy and paste it everywhere you want. So now change the name is privacy, and here is privacy policy, and the down here is disclaimer, and here is we need to also change the disclaimer. So next is we have to put there sitmap. Here also we have to give the path in its sitmap. Okay, so we also need to give the div classes after closing this div, and then again it's div, just put paste here, and now close this div. Here also we need to close the div. Here we also need to close the div here. Okay, so we are made complete this part. So next we are here just to close the main div, and next make a new div, and their class we can put there right column and 6. So again is hyperlinks. We need to give a hyperlink in the name of, just for example here, just we need to retail and close the tag of hyperlink. And next is p. P is used for paragraphs, and you have to just deposit. So let's copy paste here. We have to just these deposit account, consumer loans. These are things we need to put in the footer. So let's save it, and I will show you in an output. So it's in the things. So this is the output. So here we're gonna make this CS with this. So footer is just background color here. RGB we have to put there. 138, 106, and 42. Padding 50 pixels. So let's save this, and I will show you output. So here is the output of this. So padding is 50 pixels and display is our block. So block is used to, so everything is in the block. Okay, so here is our footer. So let's just call it now. So our today's lecture is about that footer. So we made a footer in this website. First of all, we make a nave bar, and then just post a picture on the top of that in the middle of the page, and after that we made a footer at the end of the page. So in the next video I will give you some CSS next part of this footer. Okay, I hope you understand this better. So let's call it now.